Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E and rosewater on your face. This simple method offers fantastic benefits for your skin. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps nourish your skin and reduce the appearance of blemishes. Rosewater, on the other hand, is known for its hydrating and soothing properties. Together, they create a wonderful blend that can enhance your skin's natural radiance and leave it feeling refreshed and revitalized. Preparing this beneficial mixture is incredibly simple. First, you'll need 1 vitamin E capsule and 2 tablespoons of pure rosewater. Carefully puncture the vitamin E capsule with a clean pin or needle, then gently squeeze all the oil into a small, clean bowl. Next, add the 2 tablespoons of rosewater to the vitamin E oil. Stir the ingredients thoroughly until they are well combined, creating a milky, consistent liquid ready for application. Applying this mixture to your face is a straightforward process. Begin by cleansing your face gently to remove any makeup or impurities. Once your skin is clean, take a cotton pad and dip it into your prepared vitamin E and rosewater mixture. Apply the solution evenly across your face and neck, using gentle, upward circular motions to massage it into your skin. Allow the mixture to sit on your face for about 15 to 20 minutes. After allowing the mixture to work its magic, it's time to rinse. Use lukewarm water to thoroughly wash your face, ensuring all traces of the mixture are removed. Gently pat your skin dry with a soft, clean towel. For best results, incorporate this easy treatment into your skincare routine 2 to 3 times weekly. With consistent use, you'll likely notice improved skin texture, a more even tone, and a beautiful, natural radiance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.